Today, we've got some exciting news for all you Samsung Galaxy's 24 series users out there. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never missed out on the latest tech updates. Now, it's been about a month since Samsung unleashed the Galaxy's 24 series upon the world. However, it hasn't been all smooth sailing for some users. We've been hearing rumblings of display and photo quality issues, and it seems like we're not alone. Yep, that's right. Many S24 users have been voicing their concerns about display problems and photo quality hiccups. But fear not, Samsung is on the case. In response to the feedback, Samsung has officially confirmed that an update is in the works. This update will address the display and camera-related issues that users have been experiencing. Now the great news is that this update will be available for all models. These 24s, 24 Plus, and 24 Ultra. Samsung is aimed to roll out the update later this month, underlining their commitment to customer satisfaction. So how does Samsung plan to enhance your Galaxy's 24 experience? It's a combination of integrated hardware and software efforts. Firstly, they're adjusting the default screen settings to provide a more natural viewing experience. But that's not all. Get ready for an exciting addition. The upcoming update will introduce a vividness option in the advanced settings of the display. No more missing out on vibrant visuals. Users will have a slider with 3-step options to customize the vividness according to their preferences. And now let's talk about the camera improvements. While Samsung hasn't spilled all the details, they're working on optimizing essential camera functions. This includes upgrades to zoom capabilities, portrait mode, night photography, rear camera video shooting, and more. Now the burning question, when will this update drop? According to Samsung, it's slated for release in February, and updates will start rolling out soon. Though no specific date is mentioned, rumors suggest it might be towards the end of the month. And guess what? Renowned leaker Ice Universe has chimed in, suggesting that the new firmware for the Galaxy's 24 series will be released after the Spring Festival in China. He specifically mentions improvements in the camera department, but interestingly, he doesn't touch upon other potential issues like screen, battery, or performance. So, there you have it, folks. If you're a proud owner of the Galaxy's 24 series, keep those eyes peeled for the upcoming update. And hey, if you've already got your hands on these 24 Ultra, drop your experience in the comments below. I want to hear from you. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you found this info helpful, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy F55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy F54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy F53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy F52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy F55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy F55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy F54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy F55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy F55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.